Hi, this is DK, and in this video, we are going to talk about WordPress blog post images. I'll show you how to design beautiful blog post images that are visually appealing and doesn't need a lot of time to design. One of the biggest problems that we normally face while writing a blog post is about creating images. Now, it is proven that visually appealing images, if you're able to mix that with textual content, the engagement with your readers increases dramatically. Statistics say it increases almost about 94%. And visually appealing images or contextual images actually help in building better audience retention and better readership for your articles as well. But the biggest problem that normally bloggers face is about getting images designed, because either you have to pay a lot of money to your graphic designer to design images, and then once you get the image, you need to upload it to WordPress, then add it to your blog post. So there are a lot of hoops that you need to jump around in order to get these images uploaded onto WordPress. Now, I use a very simple app, and the designing the images is pretty simple, and I'm able to design professionally looking, visually appealing, good images, and the steps are pretty simple. The app that I use is called as Stencil App. You can find it at getstencil.com, or you can even click the link that is there in the description box below. Please keep in mind that it is an affiliate link. Now, while I'm saying that it is an affiliate link, there is also a free option that is available for the Stencil app. So entirely your choice. But in the free app, there is no WordPress plugin, because this entire video that I'm going to show you is based on the WordPress plugin that comes with the Stencil app. Now you can see here, this is basically the Stencil app. And the best thing about Stencil app is that you have thousands of free images available on Stencil, which you can just search and pick and use in all of your images. In addition to that, the best thing about Stencil is that there are predefined image sizes. Like for example, in posts, you can, if you're designing pictures for Facebook photo or a link post, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram photos, stories. So all of these are preset image sizes. There are ad presets as well, so you don't need to go and check what are the size of the ads that you can use on any of these social media platforms. You can create headers, which again are all preset. In addition to all of that, you have the option of creating custom images. Now you can see here, I have designed my own custom image sizes here, because that's the one that I use in most of my blogs. So this gives you the flexibility to design images on whatever sizes and shapes that you want. In addition to that, it also has this option of adding a grid. Now, this grid is specifically important, or this grid is especially useful when you're designing images for Facebook ads, because it is important that it doesn't have a lot of text on the images. So this grid actually helps if you're designing images for Facebook ads. In addition to that, there are a lot of templates, almost about close to about 5,000 odd templates that are there on Stencil. You can pick any one of these templates and start designing. These are all extremely beautiful templates. All that you need to do is just click, change the background images, change the color of the fonts. That's it. And you can design any image that you want. And you can see here, these templates are there for most purposes, like for example for Facebook cover, Instagram story, Pinterest. So there are a lot of these templates that are available, but you can also use these templates in any sizes or dimensions that you want. All that you need to do is just change the size of the image to whatever it is that you're looking for. Then there are a lot of icons. Now you can see here, there are 100,000 icons and more on Stencil. So if you're looking for images that uses icons, you can pick any one of these icons, and it's sorted very nicely. So you can just select what is the type or the category of icon that you're looking for. For example, if you're looking for food and drinks, then you can see here that there are a lot of these drinks icons that are related to food and drinks. So you can use any of these. There are pre-designed codes. If you want to design images with codes, there are pre-designed codes. And once again, that is all grouped into categories. For example, If you go to inspirational, you will find a lot of these inspirational quotes. Similarly, if you go to leadership, you will find a lot of these leadership related quotes. So all of these quotes are there, and it is just about one click and you will be able to see that it gets added to your image here. Now, you can use hundreds of fonts that are available here. Also, you have the option of uploading your own custom fonts as well, in case you want to use your own custom fonts. But otherwise, most Google fonts are available in within Stencil. Then you can also upload your own images if you want to upload images, your specific images to design. And you also have an option of uploading logos and watermarks as well. Now you can save images once you've designed all of this. You can save images and it will stay there. You can use it for your future purposes as well. So Stencil has a lot of these options and it is run by some dedicated developers. So there is a lot of improvements that keep happening, month on month, and there are a lot of features that they are adding. Now the best thing about this app is the WordPress plugin, and I'm going to show you how that WordPress plugin works. Now, I'm not going to take you through the entire process of installing the WordPress plugin because it is pretty much the same like any other WordPress plugin. It's pretty easy to install. So I will straight away take you to my dashboard and show you how the WordPress plugin works. Okay, so I am now on my dashboard. Here I am on one of the posts that I have been editing, and I want to add an image. This is the main image for this post. To this post, you can see here this is the Gutenberg editor, and I have already installed the Stencil App WordPress plugin, and I've added an image block here. And you can see here these are the three options that will normally be available in the image block. I click on Media Library, and when I click on Media Library, it opens up this page. Normally, you will find only the upload files and the Media Library option, but if you have installed the Stencil WordPress plugin, then you will find this third option, which is Stencil. And what I'm doing is I'll go here and I'll select an image size, which is a custom image that I have. This is 900 by 1235 pixels. This is the normal image that I use for my posts. This is the main image. So I have it selected, and you can see here, this is a brand new image that I'm going to create. Now, creating the image for this blog post is going to be pretty simple. I know it is a post that I'm going to, it is a post on social media, and there are some tips that I'm going to talk about social media. So what I quickly do is, first of all, I go to the templates section, and you will be able to see there are hundreds of templates out here, out of which you can select anything, any one of the template that you find is a good one. So let me go and select something which, okay, I'll select this one. This looks like a good one, so I'll select this one. You can see here, this is basically a Facebook link post. So the dimensions of this image is slightly different. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this same image for my main image for this post, because there the dimensions are going to be different. I'll have to change this. But what will happen is all of this, the text that you're seeing here, all of this will remain the same. So let me quickly go and change the dimensions. I'll go to custom and I select my custom image here, and you see here that the dimensions have changed. Now I just need to delete all of this because I don't need this. So I'll delete all of this, and then I'm going to add a background image here. I don't need this background color as well. So what I will do is I will select a white background color. I'm going to add an image here. Let me search for social media, and you will find there is a huge collection of free images that are available in the app. So this looks nice. So let me select this one. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to slightly darken this so that the text on this looks a little better, and I'm going to increase the size of the text here. And you can see here that the text is not very visible, but I'll have to do those corrections now. That is all that I will have to do. So let me first increase the size of these images. and then I will go and okay, now the text that I'm going to add here is very simple. It's the inverted pyramid method in social media strategy. How to use the inverted pyramid method in your social media strategy. So now I have added all of my text here. Now I need to change this so that it fits. And this is my main keyword, so I will want it to be highlighted. And you can see here now that this green text here is not quite visible. So I will have to add a background to it, or I have to do something, maybe put an outline. So what I'll do is let me see if a black outline works. Yes, this looks fine. So let me realign this once again. Okay, this looks fine. I will just add my website's email address, websites. I will just add my website address as well here, and I will use a very simple font for that. And I'm going to reduce the font size, center aligned, and I think I will keep it black or maybe white. White looks better. That is all there for it, and I click on add to media library. The image is being generated. You can give it a name, inverted pyramid method, and I'll use the recommended size. The recommended size primarily takes into account the retina display as well, so it is better that you go with that size. Now the image has been added to the media library. I will be adding an alt text here. The inverted pyramid method, and I select the image has been inserted into the post. You can see here it looks nice, decent, and I will select the full size of the image. So your image has been designed, it's been inserted into the WordPress blog, and it is ready to be published. You can see how simple it is. And the best part is that because there are so many templates, you have a huge amount of option to design your images. You don't need to be a designer, a graphic designer, to go and design it, because there is already so much of designs available. You can just use any design. Maybe I could even have changed the font color here so that it suits my blog. Whichever way you would want to go and just edit it, and your image is ready. So that is how easy it is. So I'm hoping you loved this app. So you can click the link that is there in the description box below. You can see here, this is how the Stencil app looks. So I will just refresh it because this is some image that I was designing some time back. So you can see here, this is the image that I was designing in my WordPress blog, and that is available here as well. You can download it if you want. And if you prefer uploading it to Pinterest or maybe to some other social media sites like that of Instagram or something, you can use that as well. You can do that as well. So this is the option that is there. And just to give you a short about Stencil, Stencil also has a free option. So if you want to give it a try, you can try the free option, but then the free option will not give you the WordPress plugin. So for the WordPress plugin, you will have to go with the premium version, but the premium version is priced pretty economically. It is priced at about $9 per month, which is not too much if you compare it with a lot many other apps which provide you similar functionality, but still it isn't as easy to use or as simple as that of Stencil app. So I'm hoping that you loved this video. The link that is there in the description box below is an affiliate link, but just because it is an affiliate link, don't think that this app is not good. You can even use the direct link to go and buy if you prefer not to use the affiliate link. But the app is a very handy one, and I would recommend it if you use a lot of images in your WordPress blog. You will find the link in the description box below. Do comment and tell me your thoughts about this app and about this video. If there is any feedback or comment or question, please post it in the comment below that video, and I will respond to it there. So thanks for watching. I'll be back again with another informative, handy video again in a couple of days. Until then, this is DK signing off.